20 seconds.
Remove filter.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Wow. Oh. Yeah, I mean, we have so much time, so.
Yeah. I'll probably
An extra minute and a half.
Yeah, like almost 4 minutes here. I may set up the camera as I just stare at them and go,
Go for it, man.
look at all this.
The good close stuff, but
Are you fully automating it, or?
Yep.
Nice.
so,
That's awesome. You mind if I take a picture of it?
yeah.
70, I put a 60 photometers.
So this
Is that just from a magnifying glass? Is that all that is?
Yeah, it's
That's brilliant.
so.
Yep. First contact.
You got kind of a moving target.
Yeah.
Man, it's filling up fast.
It
It
is.
only,
Jeez,
but it takes a full hour and a half for it to get all the way.
Yep.
Locked in a stalemate with many bars, no walls. Rocking a hard place, it's battery control. What am I waiting for? Seatbelts beneath my compass, my transport.
5 minutes.
I think you want to knock down the number of shots to 3.
Oh, it's getting dark fast now.
Still on.
2 minutes to second contact.
Wow.
And 20 seconds.
Remove filter.
Okay.
Look at the beads. Wow. All right. We've got a couple minutes. I'm moving my shutter speed up,
Okay.
and I'm gonna drop it down a few. We'll take another. Move it down a few. Take another. I'm gonna review my images. How's it looking on yours? Are you
This
good?
is cool.
Yeah. Look at the
This
sun.
is cool.
Any comet visible? What? That's a. Is that a flare? Usually there's not a. Wow.
Why did Mitchell not want to come with us?
Oh, wow.
1 minute to see 3. Five, 4,
No.
3, 2, 1.
Camera filter's back.
Plus 45 seconds.
Wow. That was incredible.
That was better than the 2017.
Oh, so much better, yeah.
Yeah, solar flare, I think.
Yeah, the red?
Yeah.
That was unbelievable. I can't wait to see the images.
It had to be.
Freaking out on the interstate, rolling down the windows, baby. I can't hear a thing you say. I'm walking back to my favorite place, and I can feel them staring at me, baby. Do you think I'm doing something? Your heart, it looks just like mine. There's no use in wasting your time anymore. I'm sorry, I haven't been myself, and something's got me down. What it is, I cannot tell. I won't be satisfied with anything I've earned. Fear is just a part of love, and one thing I found is love's what you deserve.